Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we forget Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone device. Guys, you have connected any Bluetooth speaker and yes you have connected any Bluetooth device and friends you want to forget this device. When how can you forget in this video guys, I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to forget your Bluetooth speaker. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your Bluetooth setting guys, tap here and friends, you can see we have this JBL Go company speaker we have connected and guys we want to forget this device. So how to forget? So you can see this right icon is tap here and as you can see device name. So friends, you want to change your Bluetooth speaker device name. So as you can change your device name from here guys. I will not change guys. I want to forget. So how to forget guys? You can see disconnect unpair option guys. Click on unpair option. The device network will forget guys. You can see this it has forget to our phone from our phone and we cannot use this speaker guys. You want to use, so you will have to connect again. So like that guys, you can forget your Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.